Hello dears, and welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. We are in the gorgeous Finestrat village and it's all ready for Christmas. Let's discover it together. Welcome to Finestrat Christmas Market. It's the time of magic. Finestrat is prepared for Christmas celebrations, and only this one weekend for 3 days, Finestrat is dressed up and ready to enjoy. There is a huge Christmas crafts market situated on the town square where hundreds and hundreds of people are enjoying the lovely celebration. We present you the Finestrat Christmas Crafts Fair 2024. We will be heading out there with you guys and checking on the prices. What are the products? What is the atmosphere in general? And maybe, just maybe, we have in front of our eyes the best Christmas crafts market in all the entire area of Benidorm town. Let's head inside and see what we can find out there. Sadly, this market is only available this Friday to Sunday, but knowing it is here every single year, you will be able to visit it. And we definitely recommend you the experience. Teeny tiny tents, the barbecue, huge Christmas tree, stage with live entertainment and music, plus old-fashioned children's attractions that don't go with electricity, and everyone are having fun. This is the main entrance to the Christmas market, Mercat de Nadal in Finestrat. On the entrance, we see some waffles, water waffles, 370 with some toppings. Then we see authentic handmade jewelry and accessories, air fresheners for the wardrobe. We've been given a couple of them to smell. These sellers are also usually coming in summer to Albir Crafts Market, so you will be able to purchase the same goodies out there, and they cost 5 euros, the big ones, 10 euros with an offer. Incredibly smelling ones. We have them at home and they last at least for 1 entire year. There is lemon, there is soap, there is cinnamon smell, there is green tea, and much more, even fruity ones. Right next to it, we have the traditionally made chorizos. And these ones right here are with black pepper, chimichurri and cayenne pepper, dried out tomato, herbs. They're gluten-free and they're giving you to try out different types, even a Mexican one here. Look at that. One of these costs 5 euros. Right next door, we have more handmade. It's not jewelry of a kind, it's accessories because it's not precious materials, but these are unique creations. You will not see them anywhere else in the area. In front, big amount of sweets, sugar-free ones as well. Typical gummy bears, marshmallows, lollipops, candy, and much more. Plus the natural dried out fruit selection. As you can see right here, kiwis, mangoes, oranges, apples, pears, and much more. Everyone are able to enjoy out here. Handmade traditional recipe cheese selection. There's a lot of them out here. Wow, even like blue types of cheese inside with the mold. We're personally not fans, but there are lovely cheese selection out here. Then we have the marinated products, marinated onions. People love it here, and olives. Olives are the most typical thing you could probably try it out in our region. They're available on different types of Sundays, Wednesdays market in Benidorm, in Albir, in Altea too. And here the crafts market is no exception for it. There are many associations too that are selling different types of goodies and donating the money to the association. We have different types of foods, sweets, naturally made, different types of snacks, and at the end we have a huge bar with a barbecue. Even coffee, different types of roast, different types of flavors from different countries and continents. You're able to purchase it out here too. And right by the stage, we have a live concert, live performance of different types of songs, different styles, in Spanish, in English, a little bit of everything. Next to the stage, we have some more interesting things out here. These are different types of associations, schools that are trying to gather up some money. There are cat shelter associations, and this is also one of them that have handmade Christmas decorations for the Christmas tree. We've checked a lot of them, and we will be getting a goose because our daughter loves it. But there is cats, there is different types of decorations, heart-shaped, Christmas boot-shaped, angels, and much, much more, made with love. Christmas decorated cookies also right here next to the giant Christmas tree that's lovely decorated with red and golden Christmas balls and a shining star right on top of it. More soaps, perfumes, everything handmade. And these are not the only things available here at the market. Right by the culture house, there is much more things available. For example, handmade, and you're able to do it actually, decorate it yourself, handmade ceramics. You're able to decorate it how you wish. This is incredible. You will have a unique of a kind piece with you. And it's not expensive either, just for €5. Definitely an authentic crafts market. Just look at this. This is incredible. Candles made of honey. Typical things that are supposed to bring you luck that a lot of Spanish do actually believe in. For example, a bracelet with 7 knots that a loved one or a child has to gift you and put it on you, supposed to protect you from bad luck. People actually believe in these things right here, and it's very, very popular. One of the cats association, we love cats. They're selling some lovely kittios out here. Things made of wool, made of natural materials, is very, very popular in this particular area. There is civil protection. There is a lot of police officers. Everyone are trying their best to make these celebrations as safe as possible. Right next to the stage, there is a huge bar where you're able to get some drinks, some snacks, and in one of these places, you have a live barbecue. Look at this. The meat's just roasting out there non-stop. And all this goes for different types of sandwiches and plates that people are getting. It's not expensive, actually. And this is how the sandwiches or plates are prepared. The smell of the roasting meat, roasting beef, is absolutely incredible right now here in winter when it's quite cold outside. Staying by the fire and smelling the wood burning definitely makes a special touch to it. Look at this. This is lovely, isn't it? From here, we also have piña colada, mojitos, different types of cocktails for those who actually want a cocktail, refreshing one for the celebrations, but you can get refreshing drinks, water, whatever you feel the need to. There's even Moroccan type of style tent. Ooh, if I'm not wrong, there's a lot of people here. There's children running around. Someone just got into us, but it's fine. There is a Moroccan tent where you're able to get a very, very nice Moroccan style tea, which is great whenever it's so cold outside. Lovely performance now in solo. That is actually very, very nice. There's a lot of people here listening to the music, families, children friendly, by the way, which is incredible. And everyone are enjoying the great, great evening here in Finestrat. Many people arrived here from other areas such as us from Albir, many people from Finestrat, by the beach, from Benidorm, even Alicante and surrounding villages. Everyone came here to the village to enjoy this authentic Christmas market. More dried out fruit out here, coconut, kiwi, papaya, different types of nuts, walnuts, caramelized ones as well, honey selection, different cookies too, as well as these types of handmade soaps of different smells. And we have more and more crafts available. Right at the end or at the beginning of the fair, we have authentic attractions for children. All these are going by manual force, not by electricity. And this makes this place really, really different from a lot of others that we usually see. Overall, the atmosphere is spectacular. There are many people, that's true, but there is transport from different areas. A lot of people came by car. It's not overwhelming, but it's definitely quite busy in here. The live music, the associations, the loveliest Christmas tree, many Christmas lights, and people having fun, children laughing, authentic crafts, which is how it should be, are definitely making a difference this year in this type of market. It reminds me an authentic Christmas market, how it should be and how it is in a lot of other northern countries, for example, Germany. Let us know what you think about it, if you've enjoyed this type of market, because we definitely are enjoying this evening here in the Finestrat village. Usually it's quite quiet, but for a few days in winter, in December, around mid-December, this place transforms itself and becomes this gorgeous Christmas market, but only for a couple of days, sadly. Then it will be back to normal, and only the Christmas tree will be left with some lovely lights on the buildings and around it. All the fair will be going to different areas, to other places, to continue showing and selling the goodies that they made with their own recipes and ideas. This is officially one of the most beautiful, authentic Christmas crafts markets that we've seen in a long, long time. All the other streets are quiet but nicely decorated. It's a shame it's gonna be here only for a few days, but we would definitely love to see these types of markets in Benidorm town, for example, or in any other around the area. This is authentic Christmas spirit. It makes you feel like you are in Christmas holidays, that Christmas is coming soon, the new year is coming soon. It's definitely a very special atmosphere that we do not usually feel in other markets and fairs that we visit. Let us know if you've enjoyed today's video and if you would love to visit this type of market here in Spain. Thank you for accompanying us, and we'll see you in a new video. Bye, teas.